CLSK stock analysis and price predictions for Friday. Is CleanSpark stock a buy? I'll be breaking all that down in this brief and short 1-minute video. Now, as the only person in this page with a track record of 44,000 videos and 5 years of experience, I've seen what's working for me and what's not. And immediately, the only thing that I would look to further do from here is buy. Like, I'm genuinely telling you, like, the one thing that I would do is two ways that I'm approaching this market. One is where I'm actually going to get rid of this because that's invalid at this point. I just want to see the price give me a confirmation, and that's the only way in which case I would look to buy, right? Like me randomly buying here, mate, it's just not going to be happening whatsoever, right? That's why I even have this waiting text. If I pop up here, you will see that I've got also about 14 results as well, and without any sort of like a proper double break, there's just no way that I will look to buy. That's it. And it might start to overcomplicate it, whatever, but yeah, if my rules are not met, I do not care. 14 receipts, there's really not lack of coverage. You know, if you've been watching my videos with CLSK, you will know that this was all over the place, and at some point all I knew about was the sell side, right? But we've came a long way. So if you want to stay tuned and get free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description, and I will see you in the next one.